Hello friends, have you realized the value of financial information if it reaches you late or it never reaches you? Or you have realized that you have gathered a lot of losses and litigation cases due to one wrong tax or legal advice. If such is a scenario you are dealing with, I suggest you need to take advice from a good financial advisor or a coach who can guide you on your financial decisions of your business and personal wealth. I suggest you add up your total late fees, penalties and litigation cases and the liabilities which you have piled up over the years and analyze whether you have really grown or you have reduced your financial wealth. A good financial advisor will always guide you to make good financial decisions which are risk-free and help you towards maintaining your growth. I, Sumit Khanna, Chartered Accountant in practice, represent here our firm Sunil K. Khanna and Company, which has been practicing in India since 1976. It's been a practice of over 40 years under direct tax, indirect tax and corporate laws. I have been associated with the firm since 2003. I inherited this legacy from my father in 2007. I have been practicing in tax and corporate laws for over 17 years. We have our clients spread out over 23 countries, which includes America, Asia, Africa, Europe, Southeast Asia, Australia and New Zealand. We have been rendering services to a lot of foreign companies, non-residents and foreign citizens. We are an expert in cross-border transactions, setting up of company in India, setting up of a foreign company or a liaison office of a foreign company or a project office of a foreign company in India. Our team of chartered accountants, company secretaries and lawyers take approvals on a regular basis from regulatory bodies such as Reserve Bank of India, SEBI, IRDA and other statutory bodies. We have been representing our clients for over past many years. We are instrumental in taking Reserve Bank approvals for FDI, FIPB and specific permissions in case of non-residents and foreign citizens which have been permitted by the Reserve Bank of India. We ensure that all our client communications are online through email and data transfer. We avoid physical presence of the client, even for tasks such as remittance of funds from India or setting up of a company in India or representing the client in India. We ensure the physical presence of client is not required. Our practice areas can be divided into direct and indirect taxation and corporate laws. Under the direct taxation, we practice income tax, and under the indirect tax, we practice the goods and services tax. Under the corporate law, we have the Companies Act, LLP Act, Societies Act and other statutory acts. We are an expert in cross-border transactions for registering a company in India, for registering a foreign company in India or setting up of a liaison office or a project office for a foreign company in India. We have been instrumental in taking approvals for Reserve Bank of India, Insurance Regulatory Authority and the SEBI. Our clients are spread across 13 industries consisting of manufacturers, traders, exporters, importers, wholesalers, retailers and service-oriented people. We are rendering services to them since 1976. Our client retention ratio is over 87% since then. We have now been rendering services to even the third generation of business houses. We are a one-stop solution for all your tax and legal advisory. We render services on one-time basis and on retainership model. Under the retainership model, we visit our clients on a regular basis for audits and compliance check. We also carry out due diligence services for companies in India and abroad. In a due diligence exercise, we check the compliances of the company under various statutes applicable to it. In case you have a query or you need our expert opinion on a situation you are dealing with, do drop us an email or book a one-to-one online meeting on this link. We shall be happy to serve you at all times. Thank you.